Hello children, welcome to your online class of S.St. Today we are going to discuss lesson 8th of geography. India's climate, vegetation and wildlife. You must know that weather is about day-to-day changes in the atmosphere. It includes changes in temperature, rainfall and sunshine, etc. You must have noticed then when it is hot continuously for several days, you don't need any warm clothing. You also like to eat or drink cold things. In contrast, there are days together. You feel cold without woolen clothes when it is very windy and chilly. You would like to have something hot to eat. Broadly, the major seasons recognized in India are cold weather season or winter. During the winter season, the sun rays do not fall directly in the region. As a result, the temperatures are quite low in northern India. Hot weather season or summer. In the hot weather season, sun rays more or less directly fall in this region. Temperature becomes very high. Hot and dry winds called loo blow during the day. Southwest monsoon season or rainy season. This season is marked by the onset and advance of monsoon. The winds blow from Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal towards the land. They carry moisture with them. When these winds strike the mountain barriers, rainfall occurs. Season of retreating monsoon or autumn. Winds move back from the mainland to the Bay of Bengal. This is the season of the retreating monsoons. The southern parts of India receive rainfall in this season. However, the climate is about the average weather condition which have been measured over many years. The climate of India has broadly been described as monsoon type. Due to India's location in the tropical region, most of the rain is brought by monsoon winds. Agriculture in India is dependent on rains. Good monsoons mean adequate rain and a bountiful crop. The climate of a place is affected by its location, altitude, distance from the sea, and relief. Therefore, we experience regional differences in the climate of India. Jaisalmer and Bikaner in the desert of Rajasthan are very hot, while Dras and Kargil in Jammu and Kashmir are freezing cold. Coastal places like Mumbai and Kolkata experience moderate climate. They are neither too hot nor too cold. Natural vegetation. We see a variety of plant life in our surroundings. How nice it is to play in a field with green grasses. There are also small plants called bushes and shrubs like cactus and flowering plants, etc. Besides, there are many tall trees some with many branches and leaves like neem, mango, or some which stand with few leaves such as palm. The grasses, shrubs, and trees which grow on their own without interference or help from human beings are called natural vegetation. Do you wonder how these differ from each other? Different types of natural vegetation are dependent on different climatic conditions, among which the amount of rainfall is very important. Why are forests necessary? Forests are very useful for us. They perform various functions. Plants release oxygen that we breathe and absorb carbon dioxide. The roots of the plants bind the soil. Thus, they control soil erosion. Forests provide us with timber for furniture, fuel wood, fodder, medicinal plants, and herbs, honey, gum, etc. Forests are the natural habitat of wildlife. Natural vegetation has been destroyed to a large extent because of the reckless cutting of trees. We should plant more trees and protect the existing ones and make people aware of the importance of trees. We can have special programs like Van Mahotsav to involve more people in making our earth green. Wildlife. Forests are home to a variety of wildlife. There are thousands of species of animals and a large variety of reptiles, amphibians, mammals, birds, insects, and worms which dwell in the forest. The tiger is our national animal. It is found in various parts of the country. Gir forest in Gujarat is the home of Asiatic lions, elephants, and one-horned rhinoceroses roam in the forests of Assam. Elephants are also found in Kerala and Karnataka. Camels are found in the Great Indian Desert, and wild asses are found in the run of Kutch. Snow leopards, wild goats, etc. are found in the Himalayan region. Besides these, many other animals are found in our country, such as wolf, nilgai, cheetal, etc. India is equally rich in bird life. The peacock is our national bird. Other common birds are parrots, pigeons, manna, geese, bulbul and ducks. There are several bird sanctuaries which have been created to give birds their natural habitat. These provide the birds protection from hunters. There are several hundreds of species of snakes found in India. In order to protect them, many national parks, sanctuaries, and biosphere reserves have been set up. The government has also started Project Tiger and Project Elephant to protect these animals. You can also contribute in conserving wildlife. You can refuse to buy things made from parts of the bodies of animals. Every year, we observe Wildlife Week in the first week of October. to create awareness of conserving the habitats of the animal kingdom. So children, thank you. This lesson has been completed. Bye. Take care.